Hello, entrepreneurs and business owners. I am sporting my new Path to Connections t-shirt. I just had it on earlier today with the blazer. Like when I have to go to networking events and workshops and things of that nature, I no longer struggle trying to figure out what am I going to wear. I am going to wear my brand, baby. Now, I did have on a cute little blazer, had on my cute little shorts with it, and some fire red shoes, okay? But anywho, that is not even what I'm hopping on about. I am hopping on to let you entrepreneurs and business owners know you better get ready for the Black Friday content creation flood that's going to be taking place. Do you have your content ready? You know content is king, but what is more powerful than content? Well-told, powerful, memorable stories. As an entrepreneur and a business owner, your story should be your first product. Your story should be your first marketing asset. When you tell those 5 business stories right, those 5 business stories that every entrepreneur and every business owner should be sharing, with those 9 characters that every story you tell should have, then you know how much time you be freeing up. Do you know how much time you will be freeing up from the frustration and racking your brain trying to come up with topics to talk about and share, and not wondering if you're teetering the line of being too salesy and all of that? Look, it's time to get over that frustration, get over those challenges, and get over those obstacles of storytelling and content creation. I know I hear y'all talking about, Joylyn, that is easier said than done, especially from a national award-winning best-selling author like yourself. But guess what? You do not have to be a writer. You do not have to be an author to be an amazing storyteller. Okay, verbally and with written content. And that's what we do when we boss up. B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling Workshop. We are going to workshop those stories out of you so that you can have content to put out there, not only for Black Friday, so that you can share your capabilities, your qualifications, the results people can get from using your products. But this is going to be content that you will be able to use. I'm talking about a year's worth of content that you can use for your website, for blogs, for articles, social media posts. I mean, you name it, to answer interview questions, to really carve down and pick out pieces that you just want to do a pitch. Because I know a lot of people are really focused on pitching, those quick pitchings. Pitches tend to come from your head, while your authentic, genuine, transparent stories come from your heart, okay? And I hear some of y'all right now through this screen talking about, I'm just going to use AI. Okay, well, AI may be able to capture your voice, but it cannot capture your heart. And your heart, the heart of your story, is what connects to your ideal customer. That is what connects to your audience. So I need you to boss up by visiting www.path2connections.com and check out our B.O.S.S workshop, Business of Strategic Storytelling. And I need you to register quick, fast, and in a hurry so that we can help you workshop those stories, that content you're going to need so that you can stand out in the crowd of all that content that's going to be coming your way for Black Friday, the holiday seasons. You need to stand out with your story. Your story, your uniqueness, that is what is going to allow you to stand out from all the other content that's going to be flowing around. So you're going to walk away with that bio, with that personal narrative, that personal narrative, that, business journey. Business journey story. You're going to walk away with your brand business story that can include your funding journey, because a lot of times we're trying to attract clients and customers, but we're also trying to attract people who want to collaborate with us, to partner with us, investors, funders. We're trying to stand out in supplier portals, okay? So you're going to create those stories. You're going to create that product and service story. You're going to create that audience and customer story, okay? You may be thinking that sounds like a lot of story creation. And like I said before, I'm not a writer. Well, I'm going to say it again. We're the writers here at Path to Connections and Path to Publishing. We are your expert writers, copywriters, storytellers. I personally am an award-winning national published author with major publishing houses in New York, independent publishers. I have my own award-winning publishing house. I served as a literary agent. I have clients who have book deals with large publishers in New York, major publishing houses, as well as independent publishers as well. So we're your experts, okay? We are your experts. You do not have to know how to fly a plane to own an airport. You do not have to be a doctor to own a hospital. Now, I do believe you have to be a lawyer to own a law firm, but that's a whole nother video, and I want to stay on track here, and I want to keep you on track to achieving your 2024 goals, your 2024 personal and business goals, because your personal goals could be time freedom, being able to free up time, and I am telling you, after this workshop, after the B.O.S.S workshop, Business of Strategic Storytelling workshop, you are going to be able to free up so much time. Invest that initial time, okay, to attend this workshop. Invest that official money to attend this workshop. Beyond creating content, especially for Black Friday, you need content throughout your business journey. But think about grant applications. Like I said, think about opportunities that are available to small businesses, to underserved and underrepresented businesses. How many times have you went for a grant, but you didn't even make it through the application process? How many times have you wanted to work with a school district, a certain corporation, a government agency, and you couldn't even get through the application process, let alone, reap the fruits of your labor of actually getting into the portal, of actually getting in front of the decision makers and the grantors? This content you create is going to be the foundation, a sturdy foundation that you can build upon, laying brick after brick after brick. All you have to do is allow us to equip and empower you with the tools, the resources, the systems, and the strategies to build that amazing foundation for stories that are going to be memorable, stories that are going to stick, stories that are going to do two things to your audience. They're going to attract your ideal clients and repel the people you wouldn't want to work with. You know, those time vampires, those clients who emotionally and financially abuse you. You know, the ones who are always talking about how much money they spent with you, how much money they're spending, and oh my goodness, that's so high and that's so pricey. Speak the language that your ideal customers understand, will hear, okay? I could go on and on and on and on about bossing up with the B.O.S.S workshop, Business of Strategic Storytelling, but I will let you hop on over to www.pathtoconnections.com and check out our B.O.S.S workshop. And after you check it out, register. We only allow 6 business owners and entrepreneurs in each cohort. Okay? Because we're working hands-on. We are workshopping you through these stories. You are not going to get this cookie cutter template where everybody's story begins to sound alike, because if your story sounds like everyone else's and we give you basic information, how are you going to stand out? Plus, who wants to be basic? Okay? So start standing out with the amazing content you create with the B.O.S.S workshop. B.O.S.S, Business of Strategic Storytelling workshop, okay? It's time for you to be the boss in your industry.